Users can request loans by logging into the same website you use for the administration website. They need to enter their email address and password and can request the publication. However, many users may not be aware of this and will contact the library to request loans by phone or email. This is why we recommend using your library email account as the administrator email address, or share the administrator ID so that all library staff can monitor requests as they might be urgent from a user working out of the office or in court. When you receive a request, issue the loan or subscription by ensuring you are in the relevant tab. Click on Assign Loan or Subscription to Users button and select the publication and user, and click on the blue Assign Loan or Subscription to User button. The default lending period will apply. You may need to override the return date if a user may need a publication for a trial or is out of the office for some time. To override the return date, in the Loans tab, select Publication and amend the return date for the user.